Hey guys, let me tell you about La Cecilia, located in the historic center of Merida Yucatan, Mexico. My favorite Italian restaurant in the whole city. If you love real, authentic Italian-American cuisine, then this is your place. They always treat you like family and make sure that you're always taken care of. With plenty of indoor and outdoor seating, there's always a table waiting for you. The atmosphere alone will transport you straight to New Jersey, where this whole family affair is from. You will swear you are on the East Coast, enjoying the amazing flavors of real Sicilian cuisine. Get the night started off right with a mezcalina de piña or perhaps a mezcalina de Jamaica. Maybe you might be in a mood for a frozen margarita or perhaps a mojito de frutos rojos. Either or, you can't go wrong with any of the drinks that you order here. In fact, you can go and ask for Christian's favorite, which is the Dolce Mezcalina. Yeah, that's right, that drink has mezcal in it. And I'm gonna tell you, it is a very, very delicious drink that I think everyone will enjoy. Another dish I think everyone will thoroughly enjoy out there is the arugula burrata con mango y manzana. We try to order this every single time we come out here. And we share it, or sometimes we each order our own, but oh my goodness, you definitely have to try it. Once you try that, you gotta go for the pan bruschetta. Again, the freshest ingredients, simple, yet amazing. I wish, again, you can try to replicate this at home, but there is just no way. You definitely gotta order this if you come here as well. But the one thing you definitely have to order if you come here is the Palermo pizza. Yeah, that's right, the pizza Palermo, which is one of my all-time favorite pizzas. It's ever since I've been living out here in Mexico, it's been hard to get a really good pizza, but wow. Every time I really want some good pizza, all I gotta do is come out here to La Cecilia and I get to have the real deal Holyfield, the real authentic experience. Again, as you guys can see, I come here all the time and I love to eat the pizza here. It is so good. And if you love pizza, you'll love La Cecilia. That's all I got to say. Another dish you can't find anywhere in the whole city is a chicken marsala. And my goodness, it's as good as it looks. Not just a chicken marsala, but again, other dishes such as a flounder portobello with fettuccine, which, oh my God, it's just to die for. Again, all fresh and seasonal ingredients. Another amazing dish is the zuppa di mare. Again, being so close to the ocean, we have an abundance of fresh seafood out here. As you can see, it makes for even more amazing dishes. The zuppa di mare is as good as it looks. Again, one of my all-time favorites. When I come out here, I order this whenever it's on the menu, and I just love it. It's amazing. When I'm not in the mood for seafood, I order the veal brajol. Oh my gosh. Again, this is why I love coming here, because the dishes are not only amazing, delicious, authentic, but you can't find them anywhere. Anywhere outside of New Jersey or outside of the East Coast or outside of certain areas, you're just never gonna find it. And yes, it's as good as it looks. It's as good as I always remember, and my goodness, again, it never disappoints. Once your amazing dinner is over, it's time for dessert. Here we have a pera poached in a red wine sauce, served with some ice cream. I remember when we first had this a while ago. Oh my goodness, it was so good. La tarta de manzana is also an amazing choice. Oh man, I remember when we had this the other night. It was just so good. And of course, here we have the famous cannoli. This Sicilian cannoli will literally transport you to Italy. That's how good it is. Again, we always order this. We always order 2 desserts, but we definitely order one of these. Every single time that we come for dinner, we are pleasantly surprised by the variety of delicious mixed drinks and food that is always available. The menu is constantly changing to offer the best possible seasonal ingredients, while always making sure to keep its tried and true main staples, which will always keep you coming back for more. If you're craving that Italian-American cuisine, stop thinking about it and come join us down here at La Cecilia. Here on Calle 59, number 528, in between 64 and 66 in the historic center of Merida, Yucatan, Mexico. Looking forward to seeing you guys there.